if I am clicking on add to cart, so it will redirecting on cart, but here is no cart page. So what I need to do here, I need to import cart detail page, cart detail, but here is no component of cart detail, right? So for that I will create one cart detail page, new folder, cart, and here I will create one new file, and in that file I will write cart detail dot jsx or js, whatever you want to prefer you can, and in that I will write rafce. Now import cart detail page, and here copy this and paste it over here and write slash cart detail, control plus s. That's it. As you can see here, there is a cart detail page is reflecting under the cart router. Now need to update a cart detail page. In cart detail page, we got images, price, then title, then subtotal, or a delete button. So manage everything, going to manage with all the things under the cart detail page. So for that there is a setup of rows and columns here. Now under this I will write one row. This is my, this row control all the rows, okay. In that I will create one more row, and here I will write column. Under this column I will write h1 or h3. If you want to write some shopping cart or another name you can, or a cart page or cart detail page or shopping cart, basically it's a shopping cart, so I will write shopping cart, okay. Control plus s. Rows and columns is not defined yet, so import this row and column from React Bootstrap. That's it. Control plus s. As you can see, here is my React Bootstrap here. Write class name empty5 to give a space, okay. So this is a main reflection of margins, okay. Now coming back to the under the shopping cart here, so there is one row, okay. In that row I will create another rows, in that I will write another columns, but before that I will write list group. Basically what I will do here, if there is something in my cart, so it's reflect a shopping cart, else it's not going to reflect my shopping cart, directly my products will be going to reflect, okay. So I will write a if and else condition, means ternary operator condition. That's why I created one shopping cart, okay. It's not a heading. If you want to write a heading, you can write heading easily over here, like h1. uh, for that, first of all you need to, okay. Now here control plus s. Now here I can write one heading h1, and I will write this is a cart page, okay. So this is my heading. This is not my heading, this is creating because to write down my a ternary operator, so that's why I am doing this, okay. Now this is my first condition, else if there is no product, so reflect my shopping cart, else it will reflect my all the products. So this is this all products reflecting in list group and list group reflecting on row. Okay, so like this we are going to cover it out. In this list group there is a item, so I will write list group item, list group dot item, and over here I will write one more row, and here this is my first column. In this write hi to check it out it's working or not. Okay, it's working here. Now in this hi, instead of writing hi I will write image. Okay, this image is coming from React Bootstrap, so this is a component. So this is a component over here, so write image control plus s, that's it. Write down sources. In this sources I will add some image from the image URL because I don't want to download anything, so write perfumes, any perfume you can prefer, and here I will copy this, copy image address, and paste it here, control plus s. Now it's showing like that, don't worry about it, we'll fix it out, fluid rounded. Okay, now there is a margin setup, so what we need to do in column, write md, and under this md write 2. Okay, perfect. So in row, as you can see, there is a shopping cart. Want to change md8 over here. If you don't write anything in our margins, so that's also fine. Because nothing is gonna working out here shopping cart, so it's fine if you are not working under the md8, but write down if you want to add something else you can. Now here you can give a bottom in shopping cart also, that margin bottom, margin bottom here, and this is a 20 pixel. Okay, as you can see it's looking great now. Okay, now creating one more column, cover it out with the starting tag here, control plus s. Okay, instead of image I will prefer to move in h3, so remove this all and write h3. Okay, under this I will write title or a name, product name. Okay, product name, product name, then there is a product price, this is a product price, control plus s. Okay, or you can write down simply price like $200. Okay, now I need one button to remove this all, so write here button, and under this button I will import one FA trash. So here is a FA trash. It's not imported this component because we are gonna use a React icon, so import FA trash, FA trash from React icons slash FA control plus S. Button is not defined yet, so we'll fix it out with button 2. Okay, so this is my button, this is my price, this is my product name, this is my image. So as you can see here, if I will copy this column and paste it out and control plus S, so it's looking good here. Okay, so when I will do a mapping of my product detail page of card from Redux, so it will look like this. Now here I need to do one more thing, that is a subtotal. So for create a column of subtotal, I need to create another row, because it's an another row column here, another row component and elements here. So for that, what I will do, so this, after this part I will create one more column. So write column. Now under this column we need to create one card. So this is my card, and I will write card and import this card, control plus S. Okay, now under this card I will write, under this card I will write list group item, list group dot item, and here I will write button. Okay, so before list group item I didn't specify list group. Under this list group I will include list group dot item, and this is dot item, and okay, so it's reflecting like it's my end tag and starting tag because of auto name tag, that's why it's messing up everything. So remove it again, everything, remove it again here, list group, close, list group item. Under this I will create in cart. So here, I will write total h3 total, control plus S. Now for fixing this, md4, okay, and list group variant flush, so that it's not going to reflect it. List group variant flush, okay. Here is my list group dot item, but instead of writing under item I will write like this. Okay, now under list group item I will create a button, that is proceed to checkout, process to checkout. Okay, now need to fix this. what I'm writing here, my total and my total row and column. So it's not reflecting over here, it's reflecting here. Why? Because if I will cut this column and tag, paste it over here, means I am ending after my this all the this all column. Okay, I'm cut this starting tag to end tag basically. And now I need to create another column in this row. So so after this, when I am saving, you can check it out that it's working fine. Okay, so basically what we did it here, I did a mistake that there is a column under this column. This is not a mistake, basically in flow I just created everything. So in this column, if I want to create a column in this shopping cart, so I ended over here, but this is all column row, so that's why it was not working.